Yu Yao Sanyin Bathroom Technology Company Limited, established in 2010, based in Yuyao City, Zhejiang Province. We are one of the most developed manufacturers on sanitary ware business, focusing on Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. At the beginning, our company has become one of the top sanitary ware material suppliers in Yuyao. Up to now, we occupy over 2,000 square meters with more than 40 employees. Our company does not do sanitary ware material only, but also specializes in producing full complete products, mainly in plumbing hose, PVC hose, Shattaf, shower head, and others. Meanwhile, to meet the customer's requests and catch up with the industrial development, our design team will present 10 exclusive new items every year. Also, we have many government standard and water saving certifications for Middle East country. Customer first, service, and responsibility. With these core values, Sanyin is meeting the increasing requirement of sanitary ware industry. To meet every customer's demands, we are constantly improving our products and systems as well as optimizing our internal processes. Our vision is to offer the broadest range of superior quality product and satisfactory services. We aim to be the best in innovation, service, and delivery. We aim to be a most trusted company. With the principle of quality as life, we are looking forward to more fruitful cooperation with you, esteemed customers, all over the world. OEM and ODM are all welcome.